a very distinguished Nigerian. We shall try and fast-pace the program, and we hope that our goodwill messages can be kept short. And so please, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen.
Distinguished invitees, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellencies, on behalf of my humble self, Governor Obaseki of Edo State, Governor Caleb of Plateau State, Governor Kefas of Taraba State, and the host governor, Governor Sharif of Delta, we are here to make a point. Coming out of the National Economic Council and then taking excuse from His Excellency, the Chairman of the Council, the Vice President, who magnanimously excused us because of the importance of this occasion to come and show our presence. We are really delighted to be here and to be given the opportunity to say a few words on behalf of my colleagues. Our celebrant has become a colossus in Nigeria. He has definitely written his name in history and in time and in places. All of us look to him as a father, as a guardian, as a liberal Nigerian who doesn't have anything against anybody, who is a mentor to everyone, who, as the title of his autobiography said, is brutally frank and honest and straightforward. We have all benefited from him, and his pedigree, as a junior has said, can be testified by the presence of the pleasant amalgam of Nigerians that are in this room. Your Excellency, our father, we are delighted to be associated with you, and we are always with you because of what you have done to us as a nation. You are a bridge, and this is, as I said, symbolized by all the top dignitaries that are here. We thank you for giving us the opportunity to come here, but we want to say all members of NEC are with you, and the chairman of NEC said we should express his facilitation to you and congratulations on this very unique occasion. We are with you. May God continue to give you good health, guidance, and protection. We are with you. Definitely, we would have wished to be here to the end of the occasion, but because of state duties, we will have to go back to council. We will send our contributions through Ambassador Gali, our modest contribution for the purchase of this book as a testimony of our being with you and with you always. Thank you very much. May God bless you.